Hey everyone, in this video I'll be unboxing the JBL Harman Flip 5. I bought this from Harvey Norman and this retailed around $149. So before we unbox in this video, let's just take a look around the box. As you can see, I have the matte black color version. So you can see one of the key features, or it's the same feature from last year, but I mean it's the same feature from the previous version, but it still has that waterproofing rating. On the side it just says there to listen with pictures, and on the other side it shows you one of the features, still the same from last year, which is the JBL Party Boost. And on the back it just tells you some specs about the JBL speakers. So 12 hours of playtime, IPX7 waterproof, and the JBL Party Boost. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So we've got these two stickers here at the bottom that we need to cut. Let's go ahead and do it. Nothing else in the box. So let's just quickly take a look at inside this pamphlet here. So inside we got quick start guide. You also got I guess instructions, warranty, not sure what this is, and the charging cable, which is, as you can see, the inside is red, which is pretty nice touch. So that's all for this little pamphlet here, and inside this nice little foam box, we'll just open it this way, I believe. There is the JBL Flip 5. So as you can see, let's just take a look around the JBL Flip 5. I've got the matte black color version. So it's all black. So on the top we got the JBL Party Booster feature. We got the controls for volume, play, pause, and this is the speakers. On the side here we got the one of their logos. So this is the bass, this is the other side, and on the back here we have this little cord, Flip 5. We've got the power on and off, Bluetooth. I think this tells you the battery percentage if I'm correct, and the USB-C charging port. Let's go ahead and turn this on. As you can see, the power button lights up, and the Bluetooth is blinking, so that means it's looking for a device to connect to. So let's go ahead and connect to it. So we're going to hit the Bluetooth button, and right now it's going to be searching for a device. So I've got the well, my phone finds the Flip 5. We're going to connect to it. I'm going to hit pair, and simple as that. So you can use the JBL app if on iOS and Android if you want to take advantage of those extra features like the Party Boost. If you want to change like the equalizer, etc. I'm not going to show you in this video because it's basically an extra features that if you want to use. Otherwise you can just use your just your stock apps to output music and sound to the speakers. So before I end this video, I just want to do a quick comparison between the Flip 4 and the Flip 5. They're very similar. It's very hard to tell which one is which, unless you really look specifically looking for the design. Obviously the design is very similar. It's a cylinder shape, but the I guess the pattern, especially if I'm looking on the edge here, where they use the different materials, is different. But yeah, so top is Flip 5, bottom is Flip 4. Looks basically the same thing. If I turn this around here, you will start to see there's a bit of a difference. So basically all the controls remain the same. The only difference is with the Flip 5, instead of the Bluetooth button, we have the party booster button. And if we turn this way, so now the Flip 5 is on the bottom, the Flip 4 is on the top. As you can see, the Bluetooth button is now positioned here, and the party booster button is now, previously the party booster button was next to the power button. Now with the Flip 4, you have this little flap here where you can open, and here we have the audio output along with a USB type, along with a micro USB port. With the Flip 5, it's now replaced with a USB type C port. So let's look also with the sides here. It's a bit different. This almost has like a metallic finish to it, or look I should say, not finish. This is just a glossy plastic. And then same with the other side. Yeah. I was kind of reading online about the major difference between these. There's not really much differences. Like they're saying, like with this one, this is mono. This has stereo, but this is mono. But this is a bit louder and more, I guess, punchier in terms of the bass. In terms of battery life, they're basically both the same. This has a 3000 milliamp hour battery. This one has a 4800 millihour battery, but apparently both can do 12 hours of playback time, so I guess there's not really much difference in terms of that. In terms of weight, this feels just a little bit heavier, but you won't really notice the difference. So there's that. But yeah, other than that, the same price as when they both launched. So obviously if you have the Flip 4, do I recommend upgrading to the Flip 5? Obviously no. There's literally basically not much differences to justify the upgrade. But obviously if you're looking for the latest and greatest, go for the Flip 5. Obviously that's the latest one that JBL offers. But yeah, other than that, that's pretty much about it. Just a little unboxing. I'm not going to give you any sound previews. Basically sounds the same thing. Really good punchy bass, nice crystal clear, and just a really good speaker if you want to amplify in your house or in a room. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just a little quick unboxing, first look at the JBL Flip 5. Thanks for watching.